Namaste, Khush raho bitiyao. Today's practical topic is sorting and grading equipments. So, first of all, let us discuss what is sorting and grading. Sorting is mainly used for cleaning. So, sorting is a cleaning operation actually, and grading is done for the quality. And the criteria which we use in the grading are shape, size, color, technical properties, and some of the commercial properties. Here we will take the example of fruits and vegetable sorting and grading equipments. So the first equipment which we use is the sorting bench. And let me tell you here that the grading and sorting both can be done manually also. And for the small scale operations, for the small scale production, especially at the farm, for the small farmers and small producers, it is done manually. For that, a sorting bench is generally used. And if we have, want to increase up the efficiency, we can use 3, 4, 5, 6 tables in a series. These benches, the sorting bench, it is having a sorting bin. You can see here in this pic, a sorting bin is here. And then there are two compartments. One is the packing bin, and another is also the packing bin. And there is a package shelf where we pack the material after sorting and keep. So this is the sorting bench, and its height is 90 centimeter from the floor, and it is supported by a frame with the legs. And this you can see the dimensions are given here, and its length is 150 centimeter, 150 centimeter, and it is using a canvas bottom here in the sorting area. And in the packing area, packing bin, there is a wire mesh which is covered with the canvas of the sacking. And as I told in the beginning, this package shelf, it is having, it is used for the containers of the packed fruits and vegetables. So this is for manual sorting, where the sorting is done manually. All the culled fruit, all the ripe, overripe, unmatured, overmatured, these fruits and vegetables, they are sorted out, and the clean fruits are packed. And in such type of operation, let me tell you very clearly, the sorting and grading both goes together, and that's how we do it manually for the small scale operations. That was the one equipment. Second equipment is coming is the roller sorter. They are very popular, and these roller sorter, they sort the fruits based on the size. What is happening, they are having two conveyor belts. In these conveyor belts there are rollers, and those rollers, in these rollers, the spacing is increasing from beginning to the end. So the small fruits, they get collected in the beginning, the larger fruits, they get collected in the end. You can see here in this, there are separate collecting bins, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the smaller fruit come in one, the next larger will come in the 2, the third larger come in the third section, and the fourth largest will come in the fourth section. And the spacing between the rollers is increasing from this point to this point. So that's how the roller sorters, they are used for the grading of the fruits and vegetable based on the size. And if you see, this is a diagram of that roller sorter. It has rollers in it, it is seen, it has collecting bins here, and the hopper is there. And the spacing varies, as I told, and that's how this fruit and vegetable roller sorter acts. So to study, it means you have to understand how it works. And next is there is a weight grader. This weight grader acts on the property of the weight of the fruits and vegetables, and it is really used for those type of fruits and vegetables whose shape is complex, and they cannot be graded based on the shape or based on the size. So what we do, we use the weight criteria for grading. And in this, what is happening, there are the cups mounted on on a frame, and the fruits or the vegetables which we gonna grade based on the weight are kept automatically in these cups, and these cups are having spring loaded trips actually. And what happens, the heavier fraction, heavier fruit, that discharge in the beginning, whereas the lighter fruit, that discharge in the end. And that's how the fruits and vegetables, they are graded. And it is most of the time it is used for the fruits like mangoes. So that's how we do the grading based on the weight. And then there are optical graders also. Optical graders, they do use the optical property for grading the fruits and vegetables. So that's how these different graders are used for grading of fruits and vegetables. That's all for this. If you have any question, you can write that in my YouTube comment box and I will answer that accordingly. Thank you.